So have you ever tried to paint a sky, but it ends up looking kind of gaudy? If so, check this out. So there are two things I'm going to explain here that I did. And the first, if you caught it just a minute ago, is that I've used a lot of gray here in my painting. So I started with blue mixed with gray at the top. That transitions to gray, and then it goes down into some yellows and oranges, again all mixed with gray. And I used a gray by Gamblin. It's one of their neutral grays. And I mixed practically every color that I painted in this with that gray. And that helps to mute it. Sometimes we think when we're looking at something and it's really bright and intense that we need to use colors right out of the tube, just really, really high intensity, high chroma colors. But when we do that, things can look pretty like childish. It can look like something that we painted in school. And also having everything be at a really high intensity doesn't allow anything to stand out and sing. So it's kind of like if you're listening to music and every single instrument is at full blast and playing a solo, it can sound just noisy. You need some kind of weaving in and out of some of the sounds being intense so that they can sing and stand out compared to other sounds that are kind of holding a rhythm or a melody and are a little bit more in the background. And those can come back and forth, but essentially you need some gray in here or else nothing is going to shine and stand out. The other thing that I'm making sure to do here in this painting is to constantly vary the hues in the order of the rainbow. What I mean by that is that I shift everything from blue to green to yellow to orange to red. And you're going to see that in the sky and in the clouds. So all of the clouds are not the same color, and even one individual cloud does not stay the same color throughout. Every single cloud goes through its own transition from red to purple to blue, or from like an orangish red to more of a neutral gray. And the sky overall goes in a transition as well. It goes from orange at the bottom to yellow to green kind of in the middle, and then a blue at the top, right? So everything is grayed down, everything is mellow, and everything is shifting in the order of the rainbow.